Gradebook. We recommend setting up the gradebook prior to publishing the course or before student content is submitted. Navigate to the gradebook from the left-hand navigation menu options by clicking on Grades. There are many filters and setting options. First, let's review setting options. Place the cursor on an assignment title and 3 dots appear. Once clicking on these 3 dots, the options exist to navigate to SpeedGrader. For more information about SpeedGrader, please navigate to gocanvas.stanford.edu, the Video Tutorials tab, and the SpeedGrader specific tutorial. The option also exists to message students who. So for instance, I can see Julie here has yet to submit content. This is a great use case of functionality for this tool to directly message Julie. And dragging the cursor down here, posting grades. Click on Post Grades. A panel will display from the right side of the screen, prompting to confirm this selection. Once clicking on Post, the / icon will disappear, signifying that that assignment shell was hidden. The posting policy for the gradebook by default is set to manual. New grades, comments will be hidden unless a particular assignment or quiz has been set to automatic. The posting policy may be changed to automatic for the entire course or an individual assignment. To change the posting policy for an individual assignment, navigate to that specific title. Click on the 3 dots, select Grade Posting Policy, and switch to Automatic, and then select Save. To change the posting policy for the entire course, click on the gear icon in the upper right side of the screen. Click on Grade Posting Policy, select Automatic, and select Apply Settings in the blue rectangle at the bottom of the display panel. The option also exists to schedule release dates for a particular assignment. Locating that assignment now. When clicking on the title and then clicking on the 3 dots, navigate to Grade Posting Policy. A panel will display from the right side of the screen. And scroll down and select Schedule Release Dates. This is where instructors have the ability to manage visibility of grades and feedback for individual assignments. Please visit gocanvas.stanford.edu and navigate to the Video Tutorials tab for an in-depth tutorial on schedule release dates to manage the visibility of grades and feedback. It is important to note here that grades and comments can be released together or separately, but comments must be released before grades. This feature also requires a grade to be entered and manually releasing grades before the schedule release time takes precedence. We do recommend setting the course and assignment posting policies before entering grades. As a best practice, we also recommend setting the policies before an assignment with a due date becomes available. Once clicking on the gear icon, the ability exists to set late policies, the grade posting policies, advanced, and view options. Within view options, this may be changed according to varying orders by clicking on the caret within the Arrange By field. Also, please note here that view status for color blindness option has recently become available in the gradebook settings. When enabled, a symbol will display next to each status in the gradebook to provide an additional visual indicator. This is enabled at the user level, and the color blindness icons correlate with the status color. So for instance here, taking a peek back at the gradebook, each status is marked by a different color and its correlating icon. However, this may be changed according to the instructor preference by rearranging the status color. Closing out here, second, let's discuss gradebook filters. There are also filters by clicking on Apply Filters on the left side of the screen under Search Students' Names. And this allows instructors to create filters that can be saved or used at one time. One can create and manage filter presets. One can filter by start and end dates, submissions, status, student groups, and even sections. Teaching teams may also submit an assignment on behalf of a student. So for instance here, let's submit content to this assignment shell for Julie. By clicking on the dash, a grade box appears, but then click on the arrow next to the name. The student's panel will display on the right side of the screen. Click Submit for Student. Next, add that student's content by clicking on the rocket ship or dragging the file directly into that box, locating the content, select Open. Then click on Submit in the blue rectangle at the bottom of the window. It will also display for teaching teams who the content was submitted on behalf of the student. Let's take a look at the student gradebook view. When instructors grade content and/or annotate assignment submissions, students will be alerted in the course by specific icons and visible comments. There will be a number in a gray radial circle next to the Grades tool, symbolizing the number of grades that have been posted and are ready to review. Entering the Student Grades tool. When in the Student Gradebook, there is a blue radial dial under Score, symbolizing new grades. There is also a blue radial dial above the comment icon, symbolizing new comments. When students navigate to the graded content via the tool, by clicking on that icon, the comments will be visible on the right side of the page. Under Status, there will be an oblong shape with the notification status for that particular assignment, whether it be late or missing. There is a more in-depth tutorial about how students access feedback at gocanvas.stanford.edu. Navigating back to the instructor gradebook view. Another thing to note here is that grades don't manually or automatically push to Access. Teaching teams do have the ability to modify the Canvas Gradebook export for import into Access. Teaching teams would navigate to Export, click on the arrow, and export entire gradebook. The grading scheme must be set up so students have a letter grade, and there are a few other fields that must be changed into the CSV file. For more information regarding this process or Canvas inquiries in general, please submit a ticket to canvashelp@stanford.edu. For other tutorials, please visit gocanvas.stanford.edu.